Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix TikTok live not working. Sometimes a live we want to host on our TikTok might not work. So what I will do is head over to our TikTok application, and once you are there, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, head over to the three lines icon on the top right. From there, go to settings and privacy. Now go to live in the content and display section. Now, if you're having or facing any problem in this live section, scroll down and go to this report a problem in support and about section. This might take a while to load. From here, go to this live section. Now, as we are facing problem in hosting live, we go to hosting live. Now go to like my live ended automatically or check any other problem you faced and go head over there. So I'm heading over to this one. And go to no and go to need more help. Now just write your problem. You can see. So right as you can see, hi, what do you need help with? Please select the type of issue you're facing. So I'm clicking on live. So here TikTok is giving you some frequently asked questions related to live, like I cannot start a live, or how to start a device camera live, or I can want coins, money, or rewards, or my live is banned. So I'm just clicking on I cannot start a live. So as you can see, unfortunately, going live is currently unavailable for you due to the following reasons. Like this feature is currently unavailable in your region. We are working on expanding the availability and we appreciate your expressions. So in my region, live is currently not available. So you might need to check that also. Check the availability of your region too. So if you're not facing this problem, you can just write in here what problem you're facing, and according to that they will give you a reply and hopefully you'll get your solution. So yeah, this is how you can just fix your TikTok live not working problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.